Hey, it's Tesla Canuck. Welcome back to another video. Today we have another product review for you, and this is the Jowua USB hub for the newer Model 3s and Model Ys that have the updated console. So essentially anything that was delivered from April 1st, 2021 to present day should have the new console, and this will fit nicely. Now, here's what you can expect from the video today. We're going to do a quick unboxing so that you can see what you get inside the box. Some people like that. If you want to skip that, it's going to have the chapters programmed into it, so you can skip to wherever you want to go. And then once we do the unboxing, we're going to head out to the car and we're going to do a fit test, and we're going to see what it looks like, and we're going to test it out, make sure that it works. Okay, let's flip the box over and take a quick look, see what it says on the box. So it's light and fit. So I guess that means it doesn't weigh very much, and it'll fit very nicely into your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. And USB hub with more possibilities. And the good news here is that it supports USB-C power delivery 3.0. So that's cool. It supports data, everything that you need, dynamic power control. That's pretty cool. So you plug multiple devices in, it'll figure out the charging for all of them. And lastly, it is the perfect combo. So actually, I'm going to talk about that later when we get to the actual product in the vehicle, because I do have the Jowua center console as well, and it's I do think it might be the perfect combo. All right, let's open up the box. All right, so inside the box we have a nice little picture of all of the different ports and whatnot. Let's take a look at that for a moment. So USB-A, we've got 18 watt USB-C, 27 watt USB-C, LED indicator, and two more USB-A type slots down at the bottom. So this is a very comprehensive hub. This is great. Okay, let's put this aside. And here is the hub. This is what it looks like. Let's put the box away. We'll see if there's anything else in there. No, there isn't. Let's put that to the side, and let's take a look at this. So first, let's spin it around. Take a look, see what it looks like. So there's your two USB-C male plugs that are going to plug into the female end, obviously. And yeah, it's screwed down. Plastic feels very sturdy. I should do a jerry-rig everything bend test. Let's see. Nope, that's not going to bend. So that's good. It passes the bend test. Up here at the top, there's where you can see the other ports. It feels like a very solid product. And then the way it's going to go into the vehicle is kind of like this. So your ports are going to be up and much easier to access than what Tesla has designed into the console. So, all right, let's get this set up in the vehicle and see what it looks like. We are in the car now, obviously, and I'm going to show you the problem that this product solves. It's always great when a product solves a problem, and maybe you've had this problem as well, but the USB ports that are built into the console here, and again, this is the newer Model Y with the updated console. The same thing will be for the Model 3, but the USB ports are right down here. I'm touching them with my fingers. I'm going to put a picture up so that you can see. I stuck a light down there and tried to get a photograph of where they're located. But anyhow, it's very challenging when you want to use the ports here and you're trying to figure out how to get them in. And this product here solves that problem by plugging into the ports, and then it's basically going to sit here and you're going to have the ports readily accessible to you. So what we're going to do is let's get this plugged in. Now that it's plugged in, the first thing I want to show you is what it said about it being the perfect companion, perfect fit to their other product, which is the console tray. So I'm going to slide the tray over, and as you can see, this really is nifty. Can I say nifty? I don't know, that's kind of old school, isn't it? This really is like super cool. Is that old school too? I don't know. Good job Jowua. This actually really works well. It's functionally ergonomic. The console tray just slides back and forth like this. So now when you want to access these ports, they're readily available to you. And another neat thing that they've done is when you press this button, there's an LED light that actually comes on here and illuminates your lower cavern here, if I can call it that, so that when you're digging for stuff, you just might actually find it. So kudos to Jowua. That is a really great combination of products. The next thing we're going to take a look at is how it works. Let's go over how this thing actually works. And I've got this cheat sheet again here that came in the box. So we can see that there's a bunch of power and data options here. And I've got multiple things plugged in right now that I've been testing. So at the bottom of the device, you have two USB-A, and those support power and data. You've got to the right of the LED on-off, you've got 27 watt power delivery 3.0. So that would be good like for, let's say, an iPad Pro, MacBook Pro, Windows Surface, some other devices that are able to charge with USB-C, a lot of Chromebooks, that kind of stuff. And then the 18 watt here is great for fast charging a smartphone, for example. So I have right here, I have a Samsung device. And actually, let's see here, see if I can pick this up. It says it's fast charging, 79% currently, 8 minutes until full. So it does indeed do fast charging. I've also got, let's see here, an iPhone. Now, unfortunately, iPhone doesn't tell you if it's actually fast charging or slow charging or what it's doing, but it's clearly charging. And then from a data perspective, I pulled my USB drive from the dash glove box, whatever it's called, and I plugged it in here. And there you have it. That is the review of the Jowua USB hub, and I think it's fantastic. If you're interested, you can find links below where to find this product. Enjoy. Tesla Canuck. Over and out.